Hello people, as you can see, I have the chicken wings soaking in water. Don't cook those chicken wings out of the packet. You got to clean them. I mean, my personal opinion that it tastes fresher or cleaner. It takes away that chickeny taste, I guess. I don't know what you would call it. That were so. So now I have my chicken wings just soaking in salted water as I clean it. And now we're just going to take a little bit of garlic powder, salt and pepper, and a little bit of smoked paprika. You don't have to use smoked paprika. You can use paprika or none at all. It's very little, so it's not going to impact the taste much. Also, a little lemon juice. That's also optional, but I like it. I think it helps to brighten the chicken up a little bit. Mix it up. Now, as you see, we're going to add, I just use plain canola oil. I think it lends a nice, clean taste. Make sure you pat the chicken dry. Now, you can actually bread these if you would like. I particularly like them naked for this type of sauced wing. Usually any sauced wing I like naked. That means nothing on it, no flour. In other words, no breading product. I did marinate it beforehand in some seasonings. You can use a fryer. I particularly like to fry in my iron skillet, cast iron. Okay, this is just a stick of butter. It's an unsalted butter. If you would like, you can go with a salted butter. If you go with a salted butter, then you'll probably want to back up off of adding any additional salt. Alrighty, so now I'm going to add lots of garlic. So I'm melting the butter. And you can also add some cayenne pepper if you like a little spice to it. Now, I know I just added garlic to this, right? But these are garlic Parmesan wings. I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit of garlic powder. Oh, yes. Because I love garlic. You may omit. And what did I tell you I love? A little pepper. Now, I've seen a lot of recipes that called for parsley. And I'll be honest, I don't have any right now, but I'm also not a parsley or a big parsley fan. It's not going to contribute anything to this dish other than beautify it. Or we can add a little smoked paprika for some color. If you would like, taste one of your chicken wings. If it's well seasoned, then you probably don't need to add salt to this at all. So here we go. Now I need to throw some Parmesan in there. Now, so yes, I do have grated Parmesan, but I'm just going to add this powdered Parmesan that is in most people's home. And pretty much that's it. I mean, you're just getting the garlic out of that raw stage. And I'm going to turn it down. Just going to let it cool just a bit. Okay, I'm a flats person. So, of course, you know I'm going to put all these golden brown flats in them. All you're going to do, just get it nice and saucy. How saucy do you want it, okay? How saucy do you want it? Now, if you would like to roast it, you can put them on the oven sheet and roast it if you would like, but I like them just like this. Like a bowl of garlic soup, don't it? Now, this is real butter. It's not margarine. This is just a combination of barbecue sauce and hot sauce. Whatever's your favorite. Now, I will say, if the barbecue is on the sweeter, or it don't have to be extremely sweet, but on the sweeter side, when you add your favorite hot sauce, it just is a wonderful combination. And there we have it. We have two wing styles there. And I don't like ranch in wings, but my brother, he's the one that helped me to this little secret. You take sour cream and garlic powder. You mix it up and you have a wonderful little dip. I don't care what you dip in it. You can dip your celery in it, dip your carrots in it. Forgive my clock there. It is perfect with this wing here, especially any hot wing. It really just cools the heat down, but it just adds a wonderful flavor. I'm not a real tangy ranch lover on my wings. So thank you guys for watching. I'm getting ready to go and eat. See you later.